Separating the components of a mixture. Dear students, a mixture may contain various useful components. Hence, to extract these components, various methods of separation are used. Generally, for heterogeneous mixtures, components are separated by hand picking, sieving, filtration methods, etc. In this video, we are going to learn some special techniques for separation of components from mixtures. Evaporation. This method is generally used to separate non-volatile component from volatile component, where volatile component easily evaporates, leaving behind non-volatile component in mixture. For example, ink is made of dye and water. Dye being non-volatile gets separated from water during process of evaporation. Let us now have a look on activity. Centrifugation. Sometimes in solid liquid mixtures, solid particles are so small that they easily pass through filter paper, thereby makes their separation impossible. In such cases, technique of centrifugation is used. In this method, a solid liquid mixture is allowed to spin in container. During the spin, force acts in inward direction, due to which heavy particles settles at bottom while lighter particles remain at top. Applications of centrifugation. Let us now have a look on activity. Separation using separating funnel. This technique is mainly used in case of mixture of immiscible liquids. This mixture is poured in separating funnel and is allowed to stand still. Immiscible layer of liquids are visible, which can be easily separated by opening stop cork. Applications. Let us now have a look on activity. Sublimation. This technique is used to separate sublimable volatile impurity from non-sublimable volatile impurities by process of sublimation. Chromatography. In this method, spot of sample mixture is applied on filter paper and then filter paper is placed in solvent. Components in mixture which are more soluble in solvent rises faster on filter paper, thereby separating all components from sample. Application. Let us now have a look on activity. Distillation. This process is used to separate two miscible liquids having sufficient difference in boiling point. In mixture, liquid with lower boiling points evaporates first, undergoes condensation and is collected in container. Liquid with high boiling point evaporates later, hence it becomes easy to separate both liquids. Let us now have a look on activity. Fractional distillation. This method is used to separate miscible liquids having less than 25 Kelvin temperature difference in their boiling point. Apparatus is similar to simple distillation. Only fractional column is added in between distillation flask and condenser. Due to low difference in boiling point, Both liquids evaporate simultaneously and face obstructions in fractional column. Due to obstructions, liquids with high boiling point condenses down in the flask and liquid with low boiling point reaches the condenser and is then collected in container. Hence liquid gets separated. Here we complete learning separation of component of mixture. Hope you enjoyed learning.